So I'll face the final curtain, my friend. I'll say it clear and state my case, of which I am certain. I've lived a life that's full. I've traveled each and every highway and more, much more than this. I did it my way. Regrets, I've had a few, but then again, too few to mention. I did what I had to do and saw it through without exemption. I fled each other course, each pebble step along the byway, and more, much more than this. I did it my way. Yes, there were times when I'm sure you knew, when I beat off more than I could chew. But through it all, when there was doubt, I ate it up and spat it out. I faced it all and I stood tall and did it my way. I've lied, I've laughed and cried and shed a tear, yeah, my share of losing. But now, as tears subside, I find it all so amusing to think that I did all that. And may I say, not in a shy way, oh no, not me. I did it my way. For what is a man? What has he got if not himself? Then he has not to show the things he truly feels, and not the words of underneath, where I could show that I took the blows and did it my way. Oh, it was my way. Good night, everybody. Thank you very much.